In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Weebly in under 2 minutes. Whether you're updating a heading, fixing a paragraph, or refreshing your homepage content, Weebly makes text editing quick and simple. Let's get started. First, log into your Weebly account and head over to your website dashboard. Once you're inside, click on Website and select Edit Site. This opens the Weebly editor where you can make all your changes. Now navigate to the page where you want to update text. Once you're on the correct page, look for the specific text box you want to edit. All you have to do is click directly on the text and the text editor will immediately pop up. From here you can type new content, delete old text, or paste in something fresh. Weebly also gives you a mini formatting toolbar right above your text. You can adjust fonts, change colors, make text bold or italic, add links, or center your paragraphs. Everything you need to style your content exactly how you want. If you want to add new text to the page, simply go to the left sidebar, find the text element and drag it anywhere on your page. Drop it into place, click on it and start typing. It's as easy as that. Once you're happy with your text changes, click Done to save everything inside the editor. And when everything looks perfect, hit Publish so your updated text goes live on your website. And that's it. Editing text in Weebly is one of the fastest updates you can make. Keep practicing and you'll be able to update your site content anytime with ease.